Happy Thanksgiving. I'm about to attempt to make some pumpkin bread in my bread maker. Ingredients: canned pumpkin, 1 cup, 2 large eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil or melted butter, a third of a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a cup and a half all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Please excuse this interruption, my dog needs water. Okay, already got the 2 eggs and the pumpkin puree. Now I'm doing a third of a cup of milk. Okay, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And we got the melted butter. Minor detail I left out, we gotta put all the dry ingredients in a bowl first, whisk it together, and then pour it on top of the wet ingredients. I got the flour in, that's a cup and a half, and it said 1 cup of sugar. I'm doing about this much, maybe like 3/4 cup. Okay, I got the baking powder, baking soda added in. So now I'm adding the cinnamon, which is 1 teaspoon. Now I don't know if this is gonna ruin it, but I'm putting a whole teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Or should I still do a half? Because I don't have nutmeg. Maybe I'll just tap a little over a half maybe. There we go. Cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, got the flour in, we got the baking powder, the baking soda, the sugar. Now we're doing half teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just gonna mix it all together. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay, so everything's mixed, and I'm just gonna pour this on top, the dry ingredients right on top of the wet ingredients, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in. So I think I'm just gonna do quick bread, and we're doing medium. Okay, so the timer went off, but I'm gonna take it out. It looks gorgeous. I was gonna put it on a cooling rack, but I'm too eager, so I'm gonna put it onto a cutting board, and then I'm gonna cut it up. Whoa, that came out so easily. Not expecting that. Okay, there she is. It smells so good. I did do the fork test and I tasted it, and I probably should have went with the full cup of sugar, but I do have pumpkin cream cheese I can put on top that might be good, so we'll try that. Yeah. Not the most beautiful slice, but it tastes really good.